Capital. IP Capital is an international company specializing in using artificial intelligence technology to push the boundary of the fintech industry. Personally, I'm optimistic about the future trend of AI, and with the current pandemic, the need for decentralization and automation has only accelerated the pace of its adoption. This is why IP Capital, we are continuously innovating and implementing AI technology into many of our products, including leverage AI trading system, cloud storage system, and enterprise management software. AI-powered tools ensure greater efficiency, lower human error rates, and offer deeper data analysis. This is evident in trading, where one of the biggest weaknesses is personal emotion. With AI technology, you can rely purely on data-driven algorithms to make your decision. Besides AI technology, we are researching into wide areas of other technologies and developing products and services that will be increasingly important in the digital era. For example, cloud storage services are fast beating our traditional storage giants like Amazon and Microsoft. Through IP Clouds, our cloud storage service will help users from all over the world manage digital assets in a decentralized and secure manner. At IP Capital, we want to continuously create and redefine values for our users. At the moment, we are serving users from more than 10 countries. We will leverage on our competitive advantage, continuous growing, and I expect we will see an increase in market cap in the next 2 quarters. Thank you everyone for your support. Please continue to support us. We will strive to build a better and stronger future.
Ow.